So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're just chasing bream as we usually are. We're going to be using whatever we can to find these fish. I have not been out fishing for quite some time now and it's starting to get the better of me. So we're out here now and we're fishing for bream. We'll pick up probably one or two different species, which would be flathead and more than likely a grunter. But grunter lately have been quite the regular bycatch. So sit back, relax, and hopefully watch the carnage. Oh well, first cast with the spike, and we've got something on. Not sure what yet, but it's playing a lot like a what's it called? Oh, almost got the camera. But it's playing a lot like a trumpeter at the moment. This is a bream, it's a goodie. It's a real goodie if it's a bream. Holding its ground. Oh, it's a whiting. Jeez, that's a cracker of a whiting. Look at that. I did not see that coming. That is an absolute cracker of a whiting. Look at that guy. Jeez, that's an absolute cracker. Wait, that's a cracker of a whiting. Wow. Look at the size of him, he's a snodger. He's an absolute snodger. I'm using a high-pitched voice because I'm trying to be more YouTuber. Not trying to say anything there, but he's an absolute cracker. He'll be about that 36, 37. Actually, yeah, about that. Look at the size of him. That's an absolute cracker of a whiting. Wow, absolutely annihilated that spike. I did not expect that at all today. Is that camera angle right? Yeah, it is. Wow, that is absolutely amazing. I got to get a photo of that. That is, wow, that's amazing. Look at that. That is a monster whiting. I am so happy I brought the tape measure. And he's gonna go back. Just like that. He doesn't seem to be all healthy. Oh no, he swam off well. Well, how about that? Yeah, he's gone. Awesome. Well, got a boat coming now, but that's a cracker of a way to start. First cast on the spike and we got a 33 centimeter whiting. That's crazy. Oh, I'll take that any day of the week. Alrighty guys, we've just tied on a different lure. I got the whiting on the Spike 44. Pardon the interruption. And now I have tied on the good old rolling crank. And this is in the matte black color. Now to me, the coolest color and definitely the cleanest looking, and yeah, just absolutely amazing color to look at. But we've got to see whether or not it fishes well. There's something. Oh, that's good. Yeah, there's a fish. That's a flathead. Didn't really want to see a flathead. Oh well. Flatty? Oh, he's not a bad one too. I feel a lot of really good teeth. Oh yeah, that's right down his gullet. Okay. I think he might have just shaken it out, I'm not sure. No, definitely didn't. It's gonna be way down there. Oh well, that's another fish. Did say Flathead could be one of the bycatchers. And it was. I really want that lure back, so this guy mightn't be going back. Wow, that's really down there. Well, he's legal, so he's going to be coming home with us because he is bleeding out real bad. Oh well guys, unfortunately for us he's going to bleed out pretty bad because he was hooked in the gill, but that's the fish there. Not a bad dusky flathead, that one. Probably he was 42 this one, so he's legal, thank God, because I don't want to send back a fish like that that's really injured and isn't going to make it. So we'll get the esky ready for him and we'll put him in. So yeah, he's only just legal too. He's only 2 centimeters over. So yeah, it's unlucky that he got hooked in the gill, otherwise he'd definitely be swimming back, but oh well. Beggars can't be choosers, I guess. Last cast and I'm done. Yep, there's a fish. As soon as I said last cast and I'm done. That took it so good too. He's really carting some circles. Is that a brim? Yes. Oh, it might be a trumpeter. Yeah, little trumpeter. Oh well. I did just say last cast, and it came up with the goods. It's not a big trumpy by any means, but it's enough to finish the session on. Unfortunately, it's a quick one, but oh well. Good to get out and have a fish at least. A little trumpy. Oh well. That was better than what I was hoping for at the very end there. Thank you for watching this video to the fullest. I do hope if you enjoyed this video you like and subscribe, because it'd be very helpful for my channel. And I try to upload as consistently as possible. Doesn't always happen, for sure, but hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.